G'day and welcome back to another workshop on reading plans for beginners. This is workshop number 3 and we're going to talk about how to calculate your cut levels. So if you haven't seen workshop 1 and 2, make sure you go and watch those so that you fully understand what we're talking about in this section. So this is one of the most common calculations earth moving operators will perform. Let's look at how to calculate a cut level. So having a look at this example here, the plan shows that we have an FFL of 100.000. So that is the finished floor level, which is going to be the top of the concrete surface. Then you've got a 100 mil concrete thickness. Then you've got 100 mil of crushed rock base underneath that. So step 1, let's convert the thicknesses into meters. So 100 mil equals 0.100 meters. Step 2, use the formula. The cut level equals the finished floor level minus the concrete thickness and the base thickness. So for example, 100 minus 0.100 minus another 0.100 equals 99.800. So if you're taking 200 mil off that 100, it ends up being 99.800. Therefore, your CL or your cut level is 99.800. What does this mean? It means that the excavator operator must dig down to an RL of 99.800 before the base and concrete are installed. So if you excavate too deep, you'll have to add additional fill. If you don't excavate deep enough, then the slab may end up too high and then it stuffs everybody on site after that. So a quick tip, always check that the engineer's drawings are correct. Check what the concrete and base thicknesses are because they can vary between projects. It's not always the same. So another quick example, when you're using your laser level, put the staff on the TBM. If you're digging down, you go up on the staff. If you're filling, then you go down on the staff. Figure that one out. So now that we know our cut level, let's compare it to the existing ground level. See you in the next workshop.